Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cafe Management System tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to create our MySQL database and we will design all the necessary tables that our system will use. This is a very important step because our tables will store users information, menu items information, orders information, and order details information. So let's get started. Okay friends, in the database structure, we have multiple tables like user table, menu item table, order table, and order details table. As you can see, here we have user table and this table can be used to store user information or staff information who can use the system. In the user table, we have user ID, which is primary key, and that primary key can be used to uniquely identify each user. Thereafter, we have first name, which is not null, last name, also not null. We have username, which is not null and unique. Thereafter, we have password, and this is also not null. And this table helps to store user information who can use the system. So, after that, we have menu item table, and this table can be used to store all the items available in our cafe. And here we have item ID, which is primary key, item name, price, and image path. Because for storing image, we want to store path of the image in the database and we will store all the images in the computer directory. Thereafter, we have order table. The order table can be used to track customer orders. This table has order ID and order date column. The order ID is a primary key to uniquely identify each order. So after that, we have order details table, and this table can be used to store detailed information about each order like order details ID, order ID, item ID, quantity. And here we have order ID reference column because based on that ID we want to establish relationship between order table and order details table. And the item ID is also reference column because based on that column we want to establish relationship between item table and order details table. So let's create Cafe Management System database. For that we want to open MySQL Workbench. As you can see, here we have the complete script of the database, and here we have multiple tables like user table, we have menu item table structure, we have order table, then we have order details table. That is good. One thing you remember, here we have menu item table, that is good. We have order table, that is also good. We have order details table, and this table has relationship with order table using that firing key, and also has relationship with menu item table using that firing key. That is clear. If you have any question, you can write them in the comment. I will respond as soon as possible. Okay, and you can get all the script from the video description link. There is no problem. Let's execute the script to create to create database, then use that database, then create all the tables one by one. Let's execute that. Here we have an error. Let's check that. Why? Okay, we have item table. That is good. We have menu item. For that we want to use tbl menu item, and we want to copy name of that table. Simple. We have that table. Thereafter, let's drop the table. Database. Drop database, and we want to drop that. Let's remove that. So let's create database and all the tables one by one. Let's execute that. As you can see, the database is created. After that, all the tables are created in a correct way. And here you want to find that database. Let's refresh this. And here We have Cafe Management System database. Let's expand the tables. We have 4 tables: menu item, order, order details, and user. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.